Okay, so let's continue now with practice problem number 5. A triangular pyramid has a base area of 60 centimeters squared and a height of 15 centimeter. Find its volume. So we're given area of the base B is equals to 20 centimeters squared and the height 15 centimeters. Required the volume. So solution, use the formula V is equals to 1/3 B times the height. Substitute the given data. The final answer is 100 centimeter cube. Number 6. A rectangular pyramid has base dimensions 10 centimeters by 8 centimeter and a height of 18 centimeters. Find its volume. So we're given the base area B 10 times 8. The answer then is 80 centimeters. The height is equal to 18 centimeters. So required the volume in cubic centimeter. Use the formula for a pyramid. V is equals to 1/3 area of the base or the base area times the height. Substituting the calculated and the given data, the final answer is 480 centimeter cube. Number 7. A cylinder has a radius of 7 centimeters and a height of 14 centimeters. Find its volume. So we're given R 7 centimeters, height 14 centimeters, required volume in cubic centimeters. Use the formula B is equals to pi r squared h and substitute now the given data. The final answer is 686 pi cubic centimeter or approximately equal to 2,154 centimeter cube. Number 8. A cylindrical water tank has a diameter of 6 meters and a height of 10 meters. Calculate its volume. So we're given D 6 centimeters. Of course, the radius is half of that 6 meters. It is now 3 meters. And the height 10 meters. We are required to determine the volume of the cylindrical water tank. So use the formula V is equal to pi r squared times height. Substitute now the calculated radius and the given height. The final answer is 95 meter cube or 282.74 cubic meters. Number 9. A hollow cylinder has an outer radius of 10 centimeters and an inner radius of 6 centimeters and a height of 20 centimeters. Find its volume. So the radius 10 is 10 centimeters. And then the outer radius R, capital letter R, is 10 centimeter. The inner radius, small letter r, is 6 centimeters. And then the height, 20 centimeters. So we are asked to determine the volume of the hollow cylinder. So the formula that we're going to use is the subtraction of the bigger cylinder and the smaller cylinder. And we come up with the formula pi times r squared minus capital letter R squared minus small letter r squared times the height. Substituting now the given data, the final answer is 1,280 pi centimeter cube or 4,000 21.24 centimeter cube. Number 10. A cone has a base radius of 5 centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. Find its volume. So we're given the radius of the cone 5 centimeters. Its height is 12 centimeters. We are asked to determine its volume. Use the formula for the cone, which is equal to 1/3 pi r squared times the height. Substitute now the given data. The final answer is 100 pi centimeter cube or 314.16 centimeter cube. Number 11. A right circular cone has a diameter of 10 centimeters and a slant height of 13 centimeters. Find its volume. So we're given the diameter at 10 centimeters. Therefore, the radius is half of that, which is now 5 centimeters. The slant height is 13 centimeters. So, we can get the height of the right circular cylinder by uh, taking the square root of the slant height squared minus radius squared, and substituting the slant height and the radius. The height now of the cylinder is 12 centimeters. So required the volume. The formula of the volume of the circular cylinder, right circular cone, is B is equals to 1/3 pi r squared times height. Substitute now the given data. The answer is 100 pi centimeter cube or 314.16 centimeter squared. Number 12. A conical container has a base radius of 8 centimeters and a height of 15 centimeters. Calculate its volume. So we're given R 8 centimeters, height 15 centimeters, and then we are asked to determine the volume in cubic centimeter. Using the formula for the cone, 1/3 pi r squared times height, and substituting the given data, the final answer is 320 pi cubic centimeters, which is equal to approximately 1,005.31 cubic centimeters. Number 13. A sphere has a radius of 6 centimeters. Find its volume. So we're given R 6 centimeters. We are required to determine the volume. Therefore, the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. That's the formula to get the volume of the sphere. Substitute now the given radius, and you will have 288 pi centimeter cube. Number 14. A spherical tank has a diameter of 10 centimeters. Find its volume. So we're given the 10 centimeters, and therefore the radius is 5 centimeters. And required is volume. And use the formula for the sphere, 4/3 pi r cubed. Substitute now the given radius, the given radius, the calculated radius, and you will have 500/3 pi meter cube. Practice problem number 15. A hemisphere has a radius of 4 centimeters. Find its volume. So we're given R 4 centimeters, required the volume in cubic centimeters. So solution, the hemisphere is just simply 1/2 of the 4/3 pi r cubed, the volume of the sphere. Hemisphere is just 1/2. And finally, the formula to get the hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cubed. Substitute now the given radius. The final answer is 128/3 pi r cubed centimeter cubed, or 134.04 centimeter cubed. Problem number 16. A solid figure is made up of a cylinder with a radius of 7 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters, and a cone with the same radius and height of 12 centimeters placed on top. Find the volume of the solid. So we're given a cylinder with a radius of 7 and a height of the cylinder 10. And then we have a given cone, a radius is 7, the height of the cone is 12 centimeters. We need to get the total volume. So we know that the volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r squared, height of the cylinder. Substituting the given data, the answer is 490 pi centimeter cube. To get now the volume of the cone, using the formula 1/3 pi r squared, multiply the height with the cone, height of the cone, substituting the given data, you will be getting a calculated value of 196 pi centimeter cube. And therefore, the total volume is the volume of the cylinder plus volume of the cone. Substitute now the calculated data. The final answer is 686 pi centimeter cube, which is equivalent to 2,154 centimeter cube. Number 17. A rectangular prism with dimensions 12 meters by 8 meters by 5 meters has a half sphere attached to one of its square faces. Side 8 meters. Find the total volume of the figure. So we're given the prism at length 12, the width 8, the height 5. And then we have the volume of the prism, of course, is length times width times height. Substituting the given data, the answer is 480 cubic meter. A hemisphere attached to the square base of the side S, the radius of that is 4 centimeters. We are asked to determine the total volume. The hemisphere volume is 1/2 multiplied by the volume of the sphere, which is 4/3 pi r cubed. We now have 2/3 pi r cubed. Substitute now the given radius. The volume of the hemisphere is 128/3 pi centimeter cube. And then the total volume is the addition of those two values, 480 meter cube and 128/3. And the final answer is 614.04 cubic meters. So we will have the next part of this lesson, number 4.